Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix no sound on Instagram stories. Experiencing no sound in Instagram story can be frustrating, especially when you are eager to catch up on the latest updates from your friends and favorite influencers. If you are an iPhone user and facing the issue, you are not alone. In this comprehensive video, we will explore various solutions to help you regain sound in Instagram stories so you can continue to enjoy your social media experience without missing a beat. We have included detailed instructions, potential causes, and troubleshooting tips to ensure you can resolve this problem quickly and effectively. Follow along as we dive into the world of iPhone and Instagram settings to bring back off the sound of your stories. Subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is terminate background applications. To eliminate any interference from other apps, close all background applications by swiping up from the base of your screen, revealing the app switcher. Proceed to swipe up on each app, closing them individually. This section ensures that no background app is inadvertently muting the audio on Instagram stories, thus enabling you to enjoy uninterrupted sound. And you are done. And the next step is deactivate AirPlay and screen time and disconnect audio devices. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on AirPlay. Turn it off by selecting never and you are done. You can also temporarily disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to aid in troubleshooting. Detect any audio enabled devices such as headphones or Bluetooth speakers which might be malfunctioning or causing disruptions. After completing these steps, increase your iPhone's volume by using the volume up button or adjusting the volume slider within the control center. This section ensures your device is not accidentally muted. Lastly, confirm that your iPhone is not in silent mode by examining the switch on the side of your device. And you are done. And the next step is reinstall Instagram app. To reinstall Instagram, first remove the app by pressing and holding its icon and then tap on remove app. Next tap on delete app and then tap on delete again to confirm. And then after deletion, navigate to App Store and search for the Instagram app and then proceed to reinstall the application and you are done. And the next step is verify available iOS updates. To check for any available iOS updates, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. If an update is available, follow the on-screen prompts to install it after updating, or if no update are currently available, simply restart your device. Restarting your device refreshes all processes and can help resolve hardware and software related issues, including the audio problem with the Instagram app. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off and then wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of no sound on Instagram stories, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.